I'm going to show you guys how to make this beauty right here. It's so tiny now, but this is my turmeric and honey soap. You are going to absolutely love this. Now it does go yellow, okay? It does go quite yellow. Look at this. I'm not actually going to use it on my face right now because I have used another cleanser. But this right here will help you with acne, with blemishes, with pigmentation. If you've got uneven skin tone, it'll help to even out your skin tone. You will absolutely love this. Just let's get into it. Carry on watching to see how I make this super easy turmeric and honey soap. Right, let's make some turmeric soap. Turmeric and honey soap. This, I swear to God, is a soap that I will never stop making. Never, ever, ever. But I've got to say, this is hard as rock. And it is so hard to chop. It is a melt and pour soap base. It hasn't got anything added to it. You can get some that has like oats, or it has other things added to it, you know. This doesn't. And I'm going to chop this up as much as I can and add it to this bowl right here to melt down. If you can chop it into pieces, that would be best because it will take a very long time for it to melt if you cannot do that, okay? So chop it up as much as you can and put it in there. And I feel like I'm just going to whack it in because it's bloody hard. So hard to chop this up. The amount of the melt and pour soap base that I'm using right now is a little over 500 grams, okay? So while that melts, and I didn't mention, it is a pan, okay, with water that's going to get hot, and I put it in a bowl and it will melt. You can actually put it into a jug and just put it into the microwave, but I'm very sort of like anti-microwave, okay? So that's why I'm doing it this way. It might take a bit longer, but who cares, right? So I have my silicone cups here, which I'm going to use these for the soap. The first time I used it, I kid you not, guys, oh my God, I could not find my silicone cups. And instead, I had to improvise. And I put it in this. I put it in this jar. And I haven't even opened it. I haven't opened it because I've made so many. And I used baking paper as, you know, like, so it'd be like a mold. And this is how it'll turn out, okay? But this is what I did the first time. And to be fair, even if you don't have your molds there, the silicone mold for your soap, so the soap molds, even if you don't have them, you can just do what I did, just improvise and put in, you know, baking paper. Is it even called baking paper? You know, the brown paper, put it into a jar and then pour your soap in. You've just really got to make sure that that paper is really folded and it's not got any openings. So the next three things you need are your pure glycerin. So I've got vegetable glycerin here, turmeric powder and honey. I have seen people make this online. What they do is they use 1 tablespoon of this. So literally a tablespoon of each, or 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of glycerin and turmeric. The way I make it is I put 3 tablespoons of glycerin, 4 of turmeric, and 4 of honey. And you might think, oh my God, that's a lot. But I swear to God, I just feel like you are seeing results with this within a couple of days. It is amazing. So we are finally here now where it has melted. So what I'm going to do now is take the ingredients which I showed you and put them in. So first up, let's take the turmeric. So I'm going to do 4 tablespoons of turmeric, and then let's do the glycerin. So this is the vegetable derived glycerin, and I'm going to do 3 of this. Okay, so that is in, and then the next up is honey. Now what I'm going to do is give that a good old mix. Mix it up. Oh, just look at that. And the thing is, what I absolutely love about this, see, I still got a bit of a clump in there, see that? Let's put this back on. What I absolutely love about this though is because of the turmeric powder, it gives like a slight exfoliation, exfoliating your skin slightly. But one thing I will definitely say is you definitely want to moisturize your skin after this, okay? Make sure you do moisturize it. I use the castor oil with our Meraki face oil. If you've not checked out my
shop. I sell holistic products. This is one product that I may get onto the website and then in the new year. You want to melt this, and then what you want to do is pour it into your silicone cups. Pour it into this, and then you're going to basically put it into the fridge. I like to wait until it's not piping hot, just let it cool down a bit, and then put it into the fridge. Let it really solidify. But I wait 24 hours, and then once it's done, there you have it. This is your turmeric soap. You can use it on your body, on your face, if you have pigmentation, you know, blemishes, uneven skin tone. This right here will be your best friend.
Now, I like to make a lot of different things for the hair, for the skin, to take within, to make my body feel good and for me to feel good. And I just feel like ever since I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis in 2020, my life has just, it's changed so much. And one thing that I want to do is share my recipes with you guys. And if you want to know the other things that I do, what else I do, what else I make, then give me a follow, okay? Subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment as well. Even just a simple hi, how are you doing? How's your day been? I'll respond to you guys, okay? But this is absolutely amazing. Use it all over your body. Use it on your face. You will see an amazing result. One tip though, I would recommend though, don't use it every single day, because that's what I did to begin with, because I was so excited and my skin got super tight and I was like, no. So only use it maybe 3 times a week and then build it up. But you can use it, you know, once you build it up, you can use it every single day. But to begin with, don't do that, okay? But this right here, it is a beauty. Thank you for watching and thank you so much for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in another video.